Hello guys, I'm back once again. Today is another day and I have another video to present to you. So sit back, relax, and watch it! Alright guys, we're presenting again our adobo, Ilonggo style. Here's the outcome of our cooking. Ready to eat. The Ilonggo style pork adobo. Manamit gid. Here's my plate. A little bit of adobo. But there's a sauce of adobo on my rice. Do you think I'm gonna eat this? I'm trying to think if I will eat it. Oh, I have no choice. I have to eat this. I'm hungry. Alright, here's the ingredients for our adobo. Sliced ginger, the lemongrass, laurel leaves, that's sweaty, peppercorn, black pepper, a lot of garlic, and the onions, but it's not really mandatory. It's your choice. But on Ilonggo adobo, we prepared to put onions. And by the way, we have to add also the fish sauce, just to complement, and it will taste better. Okay, here's all the ingredients of Ilonggo adobo. And now the pork is in the frying pan. We're gonna put hot water here and boil it. And after for 5 minutes, we have to rinse it down. We're gonna boil this pork for 5 minutes. That's the way we're doing, or the procedure that we're following. After putting a hot water, making sure you have to cover the frying pan with its own cover so that the water inside will boil faster. It may take a while, but need to have a patience. Okay, it's already boiling and the pots look like it's already turning brown. we need to rinse this to clean up or remove a little bit of oil from the pork itself. A little bit of rinse and the cooking will start soon. So we already rinsed the pork, and this is already ready for cooking. Okay, we pour a little bit of oil on the frying pan. First ingredient you have to put is the garlic. And you have to wait until it becomes brown. Next is the sliced ginger. It is cut in strips, and the garlic, and the onions. It's your preference if you want to put. But on Ilonggo cuisine, they prefer to put the onion, the yellow onion. Just keep on stirring and stirring and stirring again. A little bit of fish sauce. Oh, the vapor goes into my eyes. I'm suffering here. And it's the right time now to put your pork. Let it simmer a little bit. The next one, put the cover and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. We just pour the annatto coloring that came from the real seeds of annatto or axueli. You can see the reddish coloring. put the black pepper, the ground black pepper, the laurel leaves, peppercorn, and refill with a little bit of hot water. And let it boil until it's softened. Repeat back the process. Put back the cover again. Oh, I think we forgot something. We have to put our lemongrass. That's the secret to remove some of the smell. The lemongrass. We'll just continue this later. It will take a while to boil this to become soft and tender. But inside, it's boiling hot. I'm getting hungry, but by just looking at it.
Taste better.
Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of seasoning soy sauce to add more taste to it. I cannot really take a good video because of the vapor coming from this adobo. Yummy! Tastes so good and smells so good. You guys want some? Prepare for your plate and I will deliver it to your house. Cover it again. Steam coming on the cover where the hole is located. That means it is being heated up properly and it will speed up the process to cook the pork itself. So I have to wait again. I'm getting hungry already. I can still wait in minutes. So at this stage, we have to put a little bit of salt. And addition to that, we have to add the real coconut vinegar. I can see the difference now. Keep on stirring. There's a big difference in smell. The smell of vinegar that mixed with the sauce that was made or came from the pork. Maybe it's the right time for me to take the plate, but it looks like it's not yet. So I have to wait a little bit. I'm eager to try one, but my boss said no, I cannot touch it. It's not yet cooked, but the way I look at it, it's already done. I'm hungry already. Looks like it's already done. And I have to prepare my plate and I have to eat. I'm getting hungry. Maybe I'm gonna give some to my neighbor. I'll ask them first if they like it. But if nobody will eat, I'll call my friend. Here's the outcome of our cooking. Ready to eat. The Ilonggo style pork adobo. Manamit gid. Here's my plate. A little bit of adobo. But there's a sauce of adobo on my rice. Do you think I'm gonna eat this? I'm trying to think if I will eat it. Oh, I have no choice. I have to eat this. I'm hungry. Alright guys, that's all the cooking for today. Adobo is very good, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.